Hello everyone, today we're gonna be creating these light leaks. You don't need any third-party plugins for that, and if you just want this overlay, you can download it. Link will be in the description. I'm gonna do this with minimal commentary because you can just watch what I'm doing. I'm creating a new solid and apply the effect called fractal noise. You can just start typing here fractal noise and you can find this effect. And then I'm just playing with the settings. I set fractal type to dynamic progressive, scale to 5000, complexity to 1, decrease brightness, increase contrast. Now I hold Alt and click on the watch next to the evolution and type time multiplied by 200. This will make our fractal noise animated. I'm setting another value for random seed. Now I apply effect called curves and colorize the noise. Now I duplicate the layer and change random seed. So we will have 2 of these light leaks. I'm doing the same. Duplicate again and change random seed. Okay, this looks good. Now I'm duplicating again and setting another color. I like this one. I change random seed again and duplicate 2 more times. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can change this random seed a few times more. Okay, this looks good, and now let's add some dust. I'm gonna apply 3 effects: CC ball action, box blur, and force motion blur. to make some dust. Hold Alt, click on instability state and type expression time multiplied by 30. Now our dust animated and I apply force motion blur. I set mode to add and duplicate this layer, change twist angle and rotation to add more dust. This looks good, and now let's add lens flare. I just create a new solid of black color, it's very important to make it black. And I search for the effect called lens flare. And play with the settings again. I can add some blur and set the mode to screen. I want to colorize and make it blue. And now I hold Alt and click on flare brightness and type expression wiggle .5,30. And that's it.